over 35 years, we've been a trusted source from all original equipment manufacturers. Compass Wire was established in 1982 as a family-owned company, and we remain family-owned today. We service agriculture and food processing, plastics and chemicals, sand, stone, and minerals processing industries. Regardless of your industry, we can match your needs with the most effective screening options. We make round separator screens offered in both epoxy and weld-mounted frames. And for companies who support a corporate social responsibility, we offer an eco-friendly rescreen program. When you send your rings back, we can strip and rescreen your existing frames, which results in a significant cost savings to you. The program is especially beneficial with higher volumes, but also works when lesser quantities are all you need. In addition, we also offer rectangular tension and hooked replacement panels. These screens are offered in any size with several hook designs and configurations. For OEM gyratory equipment requirements, we manufacture a variety of options, including FDA fabric, high-temperature Nomex, and sanitary vinyl edge screens. If you have a custom fabrication, we can handle that as well. Our shop can fabricate most custom requirements, big or small. Simply submit a print, sketch, or sample, and our experienced sales staff will work with you along the way. We are proud of our commitment to quality, as we are certified to the ISO 9001-2015 quality system standard. We feel quality starts the second we pick up the phone or receive an email. From the quote to the invoice, our quality control system assures conformity of the product and your satisfaction. We have a very comprehensive inventory of wire cloth, which allows us to produce and ship most orders in 2 to 3 days. Our sales and customer service team will match your needs with the right screening requirements. So visit us at compasswire.com for all of your screening needs.